I recently explored a way to make money online in this video, which used YouTube Shorts as the free traffic source to get people to hopefully buy this. Where I mentioned briefly there's a way to create these shorts yourself and a way of doing it automatically. If you're anything like me, automatically is always easier. And easier is better. Am I right? In that light, what I'm going to show you is from the beginning to ending, how you create these videos, these YouTube shorts automatically, where you don't have to show your face. You don't need to know any kind of editing techniques, as well as you don't even really need any money. But you could certainly use this to make money. And if that sounds good, don't forget to smash this like button. Now let's get straight into this method. The truth is, this method can work with any topic really. But for simplicity and connecting with that other video that I talked about, we're going to use animal facts. We're going to create simple YouTube shorts using simple facts that you can find online that not everybody would know about. And as I said, you don't need to pick this exact search term, this exact keyword. However, I am going with this specifically because, according to TubeBuddy, it has a lot of monthly searches, 286,000, which does result in an excellent ranking. And to get ideas for the animal facts YouTube shorts that we're going to create, you can pretty much create anything you want. I prefer to use what is proven, what people are searching for, what is trending right now, rather than just coming up with something at the top of my head that only I am thinking about, which might not get any views. So do this instead. Just head over to YouTube and search for animal facts, space, start with the letter E. Of course, you can go through the entire alphabet, but I'll just pick something from E that shows up in the search results here. Not in the search results, but the search predictions, because this is stuff that people are actually searching for. And maybe I'll pick animal facts about cats. The reason for that is because this other video that I created was around promoting a product about pets. Well, that's a dog, but they're pretty much the same thing, right? Well, maybe not, but the approach should be similar. What I would do is look at some of these videos that shows up in the results and get ideas how I can make a much shorter version to one of these. But what I'm really looking for are the shorts related to this. And as I scroll down, you'd see the shorts related to animal facts about cats. And the good news is that these shorts seem to get a lot of views. And I'm not too interested in the ones right now where people are showing their face on the screen. So this one looks kind of familiar. Let's see if we can find one that maybe has some stock footage, like this one. So this is the type of video that we're looking to make. Stock footage, maybe some text on the screen, where you can use images as well as some light music playing in the background, which for some reason helps people get through that 60 seconds easier. And I'll head over to good old Google to get the facts, the cat facts. So facts about cats. And to make it interesting, I'll go in the front of facts, space, and type the word surprising. And I'm getting even more ideas here. I think I like this one, crazy facts about cats. This may be good for a title as well, so let's just go with this one. I'll pick any one of these amazing cat facts. Maybe I'll grab like 3 of them. So these 3 sound good. I did read them, I just edited that out. I didn't think you wanted to hear me actually reading those 3 facts. So just copy that. And now to create the videos automatically. Click the first link in the description below to get started with InVideo IO. To get free access, creating these shorts automatically with all of these pre-built templates. And there are a lot of them. So once you sign up for free and log in, this is what you'll do next. Come over here to text to video, because this is the format that I use for YouTube Shorts. The written content as well as the stock footage doesn't really matter here, because that is also going to be changed for you automatically. I won't spend too much time on this. I'll just check out a few and maybe just run with this one. Hit use template and it says to write or paste your script to create the scenes. Okay, let's do that. So the text that we copied over here, we're just going to paste it over on this side into InVideo.io. And of course you should have a read of this. And I would suggest to put the craziest fact on the top. Maybe this second one, which says cats have nearly twice the amount of neurons in the cerebral cortex as dogs. Push that around, come down here, where it says auto-suggest images and videos. And we definitely want them to do that because we don't want to do that ourselves. That takes time that you may not have, time that I don't have. Now you do have the option, if it's a free account, to choose all the free stock. However, if you are a paying member, like I am, which gives you the option to remove the background and 20 of the images, over 1 million premium media, included 10 iStock media, which is really high-end, just $15 for the month. But as I said, you can just use the free plan. It's really not necessary to start with, and you can use it for as long as you like. Just hit create scenes when you're ready. And in a matter of a few seconds, the video will be automatically generated. Okay, so it's ready. It took a little bit longer than a few seconds, almost 30 seconds to have this generated, but it's still way better than figuring this out myself. What this software did is take the text of the 3 different points, and for each of the scenes, place some of the text on the screen, and based on the keywords, it would have decided what is the stock footage suitable for this. And it did that for some of the other clips, the other scenes, which are still loading. But what I usually like to do is come over here from the storyboard to the editor, where you have a little bit more control in customizing this closer to your liking. And without any customization, this is what it looks like so far. There's the text on the screen, cat in the background. I can move this text around to however I like. Takes you to the next scene which spoke about the cat's legs, I believe. You see their front legs, you saw the cat walking, so I don't even need to choose a next clip for that one. And this other fact speaks about the cat's eyes, and it selected one that showcases the cat's eyes. And to go ahead and start customizing this is going to take no time at all and is going to be really simple. Watch this. What I found in this clip so far is that the text takes too long to come on the screen. So all I need to do is double click this scene and drag the text right here a little bit closer, maybe almost in the beginning. Click away to come. Click this icon to get back out there. And I'll do the same thing for the others. Click that, bring it a little bit closer. Click that to come back out. Number 3, the same thing, back out. And I'm going to use my own voice to record those 3 cat facts. So I'll just go straight to this voiceover button. I'm going to record my own voice. However, you're seeing there's an automated text-to-speech option, which doesn't sound too bad, but I would prefer to use my own voice, a human voiceover in this case. I'll hit record voiceover to start recording over my own desktop microphone. And right before I hit record, well, I need to know what to read, so I can just skip to the part with the text right here. Hit record, and then hit record. Cats have nearly twice the amount of neurons in the cerebral cortex as dogs. Now I stopped it for one reason. It's easier to edit it this way, by recording each of the facts separately. So I'll just pull this across here now. You can see the spaces here that has no audio, it's just a line. So to easily edit that, I'll just drag it like this, and then hit add. We're adding this to the scene now. Here it is. Pull it up here, and this makes it easy to edit. This is the first fact, and we just want to have it in line with the footage. So it's as simple as dragging this along the same line as the audio. See how simple that is? Now to add the next fact, just repeat that process. Record voiceover, go to the part with the text, and then hit record. Cats have whiskers on the backs of their front legs as well. Stop it. Same process, dragging, killing all of the dead air, then hitting add. Pull it up. Again, I just need to drag this to line up with the audio. Here we are. And that's it. The voiceover is complete. Shortening the scene to fit the voiceover. All I'll do here again is just pull this text around so that we can see the cat. I think the rest of footage is fine. Maybe make the cat eyes a little bit more visible in this last one by just increasing the size of the footage here. And if you notice here in the timeline, this Storyblocks audio here, it automatically generated background music for us. And I can already see here that the background music is going to be much louder than the voiceover, which we don't want. And to adjust that, it's as easy as just clicking it, coming up here to volume and fade, and taking down the overall volume as low as possible. We don't want that taking away from the voiceover. So once you click the background music and play around with the different levels here as well as the levels of the voiceover, and you're hearing everything clearly, that's it, you're done. Well, this short is, so let's hear what it sounds like. Cats have the largest eyes relative to the head size of any mammal. And I think that looks and sounds pretty good. And of course, it probably needs some tweaking, but you get the point. It is really simple. When you're done to actually get that shot, you come up over here and hit the export button. Be sure to select 1080p and then hit export. Now this should take a few minutes, but once it's done, you then hit the download button and then upload it over to YouTube. Now remember, this wasn't just about making shorts, it's about making money with the YouTube shorts. Be sure to place a link in your description to the product that you're going to be making money with, which can be pretty much anything, a digital product or a physical product. If you followed all of the steps in this video to create the YouTube shorts to get the free traffic, I suggest that you look at this video next on my channel, where I walk you through how you're going to use just one tool and create a product legally for free and almost automatically, which is going to help you to make money from the YouTube shorts that we created in this video. So I'll see you over there.